Hello, I am going to show you how to use the completion report to help understand and support in having good data collection. So we have a really awesome reporting suite in Forefront, but that data, the reporting suite is only as powerful as the data that has been entered. So it's really important to track and support teachers in getting that data in. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click Create New Report, and I'm going to look at an assessment. So let's say it's beginning of the year. We're expecting that all teachers input the universal screener for all students. Here's how I'm going to check and see how we're doing in regards to that goal. So I'm going to click Add one or more assessments. I was looking at first grade, happened to be looking here anyway, so it took me right to it. And I'm going to look at the fall first grade screener. So I'm in the stack bar. I'm looking at how students did overall. Because I'm impersonating a district leader, I can see all first grade students across my district. Let's go ahead, pop on that not assessed. I can see that we've definitely got some students who don't have data in, and we're going to go explore that further. Up here in the upper right, I've got my completion report. And if I select that, it shows what percentage of students that we're expecting to have data for the fall universal screener have that data. So right now, kind of what we saw just on the stacked bar, but let's say I want to go ahead and continue and drill down and understand where these students without data are so that I can support those teachers in getting data in. So I'm right-clicking my cohort and I'm going to add comparison. Because I'm impersonating a district leader and looking at the district, my first option is going to be to add schools. So when I click that, I get the drop down. In my district, these are the two schools that have first grade classes. And now I've got some more things to visualize. So I can see that kind of my teal, yeah, it's teal. My teal school here, Wilma Rudolph, has got 100% of their data in. Over at Jim Thorpe, we're going to need a little additional support because we've only got about a third of students with data. I can continue to drill down if I'm wondering are these students without data spread across classes? Is it just that they got started later? I want to understand that further. I can right click the school again, go back to add comparison. And because I'm looking at a school, when I drill down, I'm now looking at classes. So I'm just going to add all three classes. I've got more things here, so I'm going to go ahead and toggle off first grade. I'm going to toggle off Wilma Rudolph, and I'm going to toggle off the whole school. And I get a pretty clear picture here. Kenny has got all his data in, but I need to go talk to Shakari and Fred, figure out how I can support those teachers in getting their data in. Maybe they've just started later. Obviously, I've got a champion here in Kenny. How can I leverage him to support his teammates in getting in that data so that they can better collaborate and better make grade level instructional decisions? So that's a quick overview of the completion report. You can also look at standards, which can be really cool. You can see how much data has been collected per standard, but I'm going to keep this video brief and wrap it up here.